Assalamu alaikum everyone. The topic addressing today is handwriting. It's ways or style of writing which is unique and individual. Graphologist analyzes person handwriting and gives personality trees. Many people have a very neat and beautiful handwriting, whereas many others struggle to create handwriting. Handwriting has a very important role to play during exams, especially when it comes for presentation. Even after handwriting entire answer correctly, many others lose marks in exam just because of poor and illegible handwriting. Well, we don't forgot extra mark of good handwriting in exam, but it definitely reflects confident and make it easy to check the examiner. Friends, without any time wasting, let quickly some steps and help to improve your handwriting. Firstly is your sitting posture. Keep your shoulder is relaxed. Don't rope down. If you are a right-hand person, keep the copy and page right corner is high or tilt the page towards curve the left. If you are the left-hand person, keep the copy and page left corner is high or tilt the page towards curve the right. Next important thing is your grip. Prefer a soft and comfortable grip. Don't hold your pen tightly. Next is spacing the letters. While you're writing, keep the spacing between letters and words consistently. They're supposed to have a tendency your letters is too much. To have a try, space is bit and to write a letter very far, try to reduce it just because consistent. Also, while writing, don't apply excess pressure that they created the impression the next page. Use soft grip and normal pressure. Feature people use to different slant for right hand. Right, some people left, right and straight. Again, keep it consistent. When you write something hurry which it tangle letters, try avoiding that. Also writing, stop the joining letters. Write each letter very clearly. Again, to implement these, you would have to practice writing daily. Initially, well practice, try writing slowly and required changes, and that hand of it, you can increase the speed. And other important thing is writing tools, that your pen and pencil. Whereas different pens available in market which different nibs or tips, like ballpoint pens, gel pens, ink pens, pilot pens, etc. And use the one which is most comfortable, which gives a smooth flow to your writing. Also, make sure the ink doesn't smudge. In exam, you normally buy new set of pens and write with it just of the day in exam and you don't smooth flow. You would buy some extra pens and practice writing with it to give smooth flow and to good speed. Well, that's well difference and hope that these tips to help you and improve your writing and present your paper very neatly. If you like the video, to give the thumb, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.